Hi friends, every time we look up at the night sky, it feels endless. Millions of stars, each one is a quiet reminder of how small we are and how far we have come. For centuries, people only dreamed of touching those stars. But today, we have done more than just dream. We have sent our machines beyond the solar system and we are preparing to send ourselves to the even further. This is not just science, it is the story of our greatest human journey, a journey that began not with a rocket but with an idea. In the year 1900, a simple school teacher in Russia, Konstantin Silovsky, sat by his window watching the stars. He had never traveled in a plane, still he imagined humans breaking free from gravity, using the machines that did not exist yet. In 1903, he published a book, The Exploration of Cosmic Space. It was the first time anyone truly explained how rockets could reach the space. People laughed at him, but his ideas became the blueprint for future scientists like Robert Goddard and Werner von Braun, who built the rockets that would one day carry humans into the moon. A spacecraft is not just metal and wires, it is a living system. At its heart, there is the rocket propulsion system, powerful enough to lift thousands of tons of weight. Think of SpaceX Falcon Heavy. Its roar shakes the sky, sending payloads towards the stars. Then comes the navigation and control, the unseen brain that makes sure that the machine never drifts. Without it, missions like NASA's Perseverance rover could never have landed on Mars with such care. Power systems, solar panels on nuclear batteries keep everything alive. Voyager's power came from the nuclear source that is still softly buzzing after nearly 50 years. Thermal protection shields protect the spacecraft from the sun's fire and the cold darkness of deep space. During re-entry, these systems glow in bright red color, just like the tiles on the SpaceX Dragon capsule. And for manned missions, crew modules like NASA's Onion or India's upcoming Gaganyaan mission become the tiny home in the darkness, carrying everything needed to survive. Communication systems in the spacecraft keep the spacecraft connected with the Earth. Without them, even a billion-dollar mission would vanish into the silence. Each part in the spacecraft is a masterpiece of human determination. In 1977, NASA prepared to send two spacecraft into the space, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. They were built with the technology weaker than today's smartphones. Still, their mission was beyond imagination. Their goal is to explore Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune during a rare planetary alignment that happens once in 176 years. Each Voyager spacecraft carried a golden record with a message from Earth. It held greetings in 55 languages, sounds of nature and even a heartbeat. A time capsule meant for whoever might find it, humans or aliens. Voyager 1 discovered volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Lu. Voyager 2 found the icy blue beauty of Neptune and its mysterious dark spot. Today, both these spacecrafts are still traveling through the interstellar space billions of kilometers away, still sending signals back to the Earth. Their journey continues even after the people who built them are no more. While the world looked to NASA and the West countries, a quiet revolution began in India. In 2013, ISRO launched Mangalyaan, its first Mars mission. The cost of this mission is $74 million, which is less than the budget of the Hollywood movie Gravity. But it succeeded in one attempt. It is a world record. Later, ISRO launched the Chandrayaan-1 mission, which discovered water on the moon, and Chandrayaan-2 mission continued this search. In 2023, Chandrayaan-3 made history. India became the first nation to land near the moon's south pole. Now the roadmap became bigger. ISRO is going to launch Mangalyaan-2 with a rover and even a helicopter on Mars, a Venus mission set to explore Earth's twin. And by 2035, India's own space station called Bharatiya Antariksha Station is going to be built by ISRO. In early 2025, ISRO docked 2 satellites in space for the first time, another step towards the crewed space flights. The upcoming Gaganyaan mission will soon carry Indian astronauts from the home soil. From humble beginnings, India is now walking among the stars. But this story is only halfway told. By 2050 to 2070, experts believe humans will build spacecraft capable of traveling between planets, missions that could take us to the Mars. NASA, SpaceX, Blue Origin, and the European Space Agency are racing towards that dream, testing nuclear tests, plasma, and antimatter propulsion systems. The estimated cost is between $500 billion to $1 trillion, a price tag for building the future itself. But it's not just about the money, it's about the courage. Space travel means facing radiation, isolation, and ethical questions about colonizing other worlds. Still, every scientist agrees we have to go because one day Earth might not be enough. Climate change, asteroids, or cosmic events could threaten our survival, and when that day comes, we will need another home among the stars. From Silosky's notebook to the Voyagers drifting beyond our solar system, from NASA's moon landings to the ISRO's Mars success, every generation has carried the same torch forward. Space exploration is not just about science, it is our story as humans. It is about our need to explore, to learn, to leave a mark. Every spacecraft, every astronaut, every launch carries one message. We were here, we dreamed, and we are dared. And maybe someday, when another civilization finds Voyager's golden record or sees our footprints on Mars, they will know we were not just looking for new worlds. We were searching for who we really are. Our journey to the stars began with imagination, fueled by courage, and carried by science. Each mission, each discovery reminds us that humanity's greatest power is not technology, it's the curiosity. We were come far, but this still is the beginning. The universe is vast and waiting. As long as we keep looking up, the dream will never end. Because space is not far away, it is the next chapter of our story. If you lived in the 19th century and looked up at the stars, what would you dream of? Exploring the unknown beyond Earth or discovering mysteries within our own world? If you found this video useful, hit a like button. Share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to Galaxora for more cosmic journeys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.